Welcome to Kanzi Media official YouTube channel. On this video you will learn how to convert any bet booking code to your own choice of betting platform. Open your Google Chrome web browser and type convertbetcodes.com. Sign in and verify your email address to have full access while using the website. Under the website, paste or type the booking code you wish to convert. As you can see on the video, that me converting Melbet code to 1xbet code. If you want a bet9 code, then apply same step as shown in these second video. Thanks for watching. Please click the subscribe button now if you haven't do so, then like and share these video, if you really enjoyed it.